Tips and advice for getting into the stock market. Investing can be a great way to make your money work for you. Shrewd investments can help you realize your dreams and retire comfortably. However, unwise investments can crush those dreams just as easily. It is imperative that you do your homework and know important information about investing. Use the hints and tips in this video to help you invest wisely. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. Pay less attention to the various market voices that are trying to bombard you with data on price points. This will allow you to gain more information on the performance of the companies you currently invest in or plan to invest in, giving you the chance to make smarter decisions. To increase your profits in the stock market, create a sensible plan and avoid picking your stocks emotionally. The benefit of developing a strategy that you can use to guide your stock choices will make it less like that you will make an emotional buy. Acting on a hot tip without doing research is a dangerous way to invest. Shy away from margin positions in a bear market. Margin positions don't work well in the midst of an anticipated market decline. Industry authorities recommend the closure of market positions until the stock market starts to trend upwards. Following this simple investing advice could save you a lot over the course of your investing. As already mentioned, investing is a terrific way to put your money to work. Wise investments can be the path to financial security, but it is just as easy to lose money. Therefore, always take the time to do your homework before you invest. Use the information from this video to help you make the choices that will get the most out of your investment dollars. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.